I'm Regina Allison, and I'm the Associate Director for the University Village.
I am Jason DeBellis, Manager of Enterprise Accounting.
I'm Suzanne Donnelly, Senior Associate Director, Bronco Bookstore.
I am David. I am the Associate Director of Dining Services.
Being in the workshop with my fellow foundation team members was really neat. Especially as a new leader, I actually was able to build quite a few high trust relationships with foundation employees.
When applying the skills I learned from the course, I have found that the results have only improved the working relationships with my staff.
I've learned the distinction between management and leadership and when to lean into those behaviors.
Because of the class, I am confident on how to manage and lead others.
The course has helped me become more efficient and effective in implementing procedures within my department.
I have used what I've learned in this class in our day-to-day operations at the bookstore. I now value more than ever in ensuring that my employees are engaged with the work that they do here.
They are more satisfied in their role, and I'm happier with the results they are producing.
I'm so glad that I pushed myself to take the course. It was very detailed and very organized, and I felt immersing myself into the class was a positive investment for my future.